How to drain and refill your swimming pool. Swimming pool water can get bad over the years, so bad that chemicals lose their effectiveness. With this information and a free weekend, you and a friend can drain and refill your pool without spending much more than $200, not including necessary chemicals for new water. Draining. Go to a home improvement store and rent a submersible sump pump. Sump pumps can be rented for about $36 per 24 hours. Do this early in the day so your pool is empty before dark. Your rental should include rubber fire hoses in 50 feet 15.2 meters lengths. 2 should be enough for most homeowner, but check to make sure the pool is not more than 100 feet 30.5 meters from your clean-out sewer access point. Set up the sump pump and discharge hoses, connecting the hoses to a clean-out. This step is very important. Most municipalities won't let you drain your water directly into the street or a neighbor's yard, for example. That leaves you 2 options of where to drain the water, directly into the clean-out. This is usually a 3 to 4 inch 7.6 to 10.2 centimeters plastic pipe on your property, usually outside a bathroom or the kitchen, with a screw cap on it which leads directly into the sewer. The city will reuse this water. On older homes, 1 clean-out usually exists and is elevated on a wall. On newer homes, 2 clean-outs usually exist, and they are ground level, sometimes obscured by landscaping. Using a clean connected to a wall is risky and could cause water damage to the house. If your clean-out is connected directly to your house, consult a pool specialist or general contractor before proceeding. Using a clean connected to a wall is risky and could cause water damage to the house. If your clean-out is connected directly to your house, consult a pool specialist or general contractor before proceeding. Irrigate the lawn, plants, or other shrubbery. This is not recommended if you are draining the entire pool, nor is it a great idea on certain lawns or plants that don't react well to excessive salt or chlorine. Certain grasses and oleander species can take pool water, but citrus, hibiscus, or other salt-sensitive plants should not be irrigated in this fashion. Lower the pump into the pool and plug it in. Make sure the hose is properly attached and make sure the other end of the hose is stuck into the clean-out before plugging in the pump. Some hoses will go down about 3 feet 0.9 meters into the clean-out before hitting something. Make sure to lodge it in properly. Watch your water disappear, monitoring the discharge carefully. The time it takes to drain your pool water will depend on the municipality laws, the pump speed, and the total size of the pool. Although it may sound strange, check your municipality's laws concerning the discharge rate. In some municipalities, the discharge rate is capped quite low. Phoenix, for example, sets theirs at 12 gallons 45.4 L per minute or 720 gallons per hour. This ensures safe disposal of the water into the sewer. Most good pumps will far exceed the municipality's maximum discharge rate. They'll function safely at 50 gallons per minute, and top out at about 70 gallons per minute. Your pool size will also determine how long it takes. If you're pumping at 30 gallons per minute, or 1,800 gallons per hour, and you have a 25,000-gallon 94,635.3 L pool, it will take roughly 14 hours to drain the pool. Every foot or so of water level decrease, spray the perimeter of the pool's previous water line with a hose. Do this especially if your water is dirty, as this will save you time in the end. Try some brushing while you are at it. Wait as the pump removes almost all of the water, draining the last bit manually. How much water the pump is able to remove will depending on your pool's contours at the deep end. Drain the last foot or so manually with 2 buckets. This is where a helper comes in handy.